In a coastal town, a sudden quake shatters the pier as alarms howl and lanterns swing like trapped fireflies. As floodwaters surge, a mother carries her child through rising streets, guiding neighbors to rooftops with a hopeful nod. Firefighters battle a blazing warehouse, rain from the storm cooling embers while a street musician plays to steady nerves. The wind shifts, exposing a hidden cove where survivors trade stories and scarce rations, choosing to mend together. Dawn reveals renewed homes, a community charting new rules for safety and memory, turning fear into a plan for tomorrow.